Have you ever wondered what all the fuss is about artificial intelligence, or AI for short? You've probably heard the term thrown around a lot lately, from chatbots and voice assistants to self-driving cars and smart home devices. But what exactly is AI and how does it work? Don't worry, you're not alone in feeling a bit confused. In simple terms, AI refers to machines that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, like walking and talking. Or in the tech world, could include anything from recognizing speech and images to making decisions based on data. AI systems use complex algorithms to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make predictions. They are becoming increasingly common in our daily lives, and the possibilities for AI are endless. Let's see how some people's experiences are with this known AI.
Meet Ash. She was thrilled to try out her new Echo Look device, which promised to give her personalized fashion advice based on her outfit photos. But after using the device for a while, Ash realized that it was only recommending clothes that fit into traditional feminine and girly styles. She discovered that the device's algorithms were too narrow and were not considering her unique style preferences.
This is John, a college student who struggled with logical proofs for Computer Science 230. He was looking for a way to improve his grades and decided to give ChatGPT a try for homework help. At first, he was impressed by how the AI-powered tutoring system was available anytime and explained math concepts in an easy-to-understand way. However, John soon realized that the AI system was not always reliable. Sometimes ChatGPT would provide incorrect answers or miss important steps in a problem.
These narratives highlight that although AI has its advantages, it must be used properly and with understanding of its limitations. When we do this, we can reduce the potential dangers associated with AI while boosting its advantages. Conversational AI, or the creation of AI systems that can communicate with people in natural language, has grown in popularity in recent years as a field of study and application. The creation of conversational AI, however, also entails a number of hazards and difficulties, as proven by Amazon's Echo Look and OpenAI's ChatGPT.
The Echo Look AI was weighed down by its status as a new piece of technology, which was not completely accurate compared to a human. Its ability for recommendations was limited by its users in some aspects. It didn't take account important factors like body type and cultural norms. And there was an issue of privacy since the camera that AI used was always on.
The AI used by Echo Look used machine learning algorithms to give personalized recommendations based on the humans that used it. In general, it could give fashion advice thanks to its ability to customize itself to best fit its users' needs and preferences. Not to mention, the AI could keep up to date with the latest fashion trends, so it was always working on the most current information at the given time.
As with any new technology, it comes with plenty of issues. ChatGPT exhibits its fair share of issues. Here are some major issues facing ChatGPT right now: capacity issues, accuracy issues, and issues with how it is trained. ChatGPT servers are limited relative to how frequently used it is. This often leads to the bot being down. Additionally, ChatGPT is not always accurate and should not be a definitive source for information. Here is a prime example from a course at Duke ComSci 230, where the answer that ChatGPT provided was not accurate. This can lead to a huge spread of misinformation that can be detrimental to society. Additionally, OpenAI has to constantly protect ChatGPT from content ranging from sexual abuse to more extreme disturbing types as a direct result of using user input as a data source.
Despite these negatives, ChatGPT is a promising application that will continue to be updated, monitored, and used by millions. It will help industries grow to new heights and make Googling information much more efficient and useful once it becomes more accurate. It is able to provide information on a wide range of topics, knows 95 natural languages, including numerous programming languages. It is convenient and can be quickly accessed from anywhere with connection to the internet. It can provide personalized learning, able to adapt to a student's level of understanding and save time, allowing for quick lookup and idea generation to allow more time for other tasks. This is a very promising technology that will continue to grow and has a very high ceiling to its capabilities.
Have you ever wondered about the policies and ethics surrounding AI? It's important to ask questions like, are we just supposed to let tech giants and AI continue to malfunction and harm people? The answer is no, of course not. It's unethical when there are regulations in place and being proposed to ensure the safe and development of AI. By addressing the potential harms and establishing clear guidelines, we can work towards ensuring that AI is developed and used in an ethical and safe way.
There are regulations for artificial intelligence outside of the United States. Yep, it's true. The European Union has established a set of standards for how businesses must collect, use, and protect personal data, including data gathered by AI systems. This set of regulations is called the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR for short, and it's been in effect since 2018. One of the nicest things about the GDPR is that it gives the individuals the right to request the deletion of their personal data. Plus, businesses are required to provide clear and easy to understand information about how they handle personal data. This means that people like you and me can have more control over how our personal data is used and know exactly how it's handled.
Have you heard about the Algorithmic Accountability Act? It's a bill that's been proposed in the United States to help address any biases and discrimination in AI systems. The idea is that businesses would have to regularly check their systems and be transparent about how their algorithms work and make decisions. It's a pretty neat concept because it means that businesses would be held accountable for any biases or discrimination that might be happening in their AI systems. By being transparent about how their algorithms work, it could help prevent unintentional biases and promote fairness and equality in the use of AI. Overall, it's a step in the right direction to ensure that AI is used ethically and with the goal of promoting fairness and equality.
Hopefully by now you have some sort of knowledge of what artificial intelligence is and how it's affecting our everyday lives and how it may possibly affect us in the future. Obviously, AI is still developing and will have its errors and miscalculations. So we have to hope that developers and tech giants take into consideration their mistakes and grow from them to create powerful AI that's able to contribute to society in a positive way. Because, we can't have sentient AI taking over the world yet. In all seriousness, though, as we've seen, the consequences of artificial intelligence can be both positive and negative. It's up to us to ensure that the positive impacts are maximized while minimizing the potential risks and dangers. This means that we all have a role to play in shaping the future of AI, whether that's as developers, policymakers, or simply informed and engaged citizens. By staying informed, asking questions, and demanding transparency and accountability from those who are developing and deploying AI, we can help ensure that this powerful technology benefits society as a whole rather than just a select few. So let's continue the conversation. Let's keep learning and let's work together to create a future where AI works for us, not against us.